Hello everyone, my name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group. This is Kevin Belzer, and we are back again. Welcome to Goodyear, Arizona. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We're at 15754 West McKinley.
Hey, Phil.
Hey! Let's go
You
inside.
can't go inside yet.
Oh,
We're gonna go show them some things around here.
okay. Let's show them the location, I guess. So another huge benefit, you're within walking distance to shopping.
You are. You've got everything from if you want to learn martial arts, go get your hair done, which obviously I do. You got shaved ice, as well as there's some small restaurants over here, and there's even a QT.
Great, and then last but not least, what about some bigger ticket shopping?
Well, walking distance as well is a Walmart right by the house. And if you jump just over the 10, you have a whole shopping plaza over there, as well as a brand new Harkins. It's one of those where the chairs recline back, and you're wondering, are you paying for a nap or to watch the movie?
It's actually for both.
Oh, okay, there you go.
If you love spring training, this house could be your dream home. Kevin, where are we at?
We are at the home to the Cincinnati Reds and the Cleveland Indians for spring training, Goodyear Ballpark.
Perfect, and it's not that old.
It's only been built here in the last few years.
And also recently, they just released the spring training schedule.
Yeah, so you can drive on down and get your tickets.
So besides the spring training, is there anything else that you could do if you bought this house?
Absolutely. So if you're not into baseball, you are driving distance down to Phoenix Raceway. It's about 15 minutes away. And also yesterday, because I was really curious, I drove to see how far the Cardinal Stadium was. It is exactly 15 minutes as well. And my client wanted me to let everybody know that if they don't want to do any of that and they just want to go shopping in bulk, well, the Sam's is about 5 minutes away and the Costco is 10 minutes away.
Great, so plenty to do if you like sporting, if you like racing, if you like shopping. This is very ideal, especially with the growth in the past few years. We are finally inside this beautiful house in Goodyear. Kevin, let's talk specs first.
Well, this is a two-story, 3,102 square feet on a 7,200 square foot lot.
Now, as far as the main house goes, those are the specs. However, you said you had something a little special later on for us.
Yeah, we have a next-gen home.
Meaning, there's actually separate living quarters. So stay tuned for that. This kitchen is pretty spacious.
It is. These sellers, when they had the home built, went with the larger center island with the undermounted sink, as well as more cabinets. You have additional cabinets down there and additional counter space.
Perfect, especially when you have everyone over. Now, if I'm a cook, why would I love this?
Because you're literally cooking with gas.
Nice.
Right behind you is a 5-burner cooktop. And then we have the double ovens behind me.
Great, and then last but not least, the pantry.
It is huge. It will fit all your Sam's trips and your Costco trips. Easily will fit in the walk-in pantry.
We are now in the flex room. Kevin, take it away.
Well, just like you said, it is a flex room, so it can be used for an open den, a loft, or another family room.
Which makes perfect sense if you have kids. Now let's talk bedrooms.
Well, you have 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms up here. What I find very interesting is 3 of the 4 bedrooms have their own bathroom.
And then last but not least, I hate to go up and down stairs with the laundry. Where is the laundry room located?
Well, they did it right on this home. You have a huge laundry room right here on the 2nd floor. Also, for storage, you have this nice storage room right behind me too.
Which is perfect for the flex room itself.
Hey, Phil.
Where'd you go?
Well, I'm checking out the next gen part of the home.
Best part about that, there's a separate entrance. Another huge benefit to this next gen area of the house.
You have access to the main garage.
All right, in the state of Arizona, the water is probably not the best to drink out of directly from the faucet.
No, it's a little hard. So what the seller did in this home is they got this whole house water filtration system. What's unique about this one is it does both hot and cold water.
Which is very unique because you don't see that a ton. And then the garage itself, it seems a little bit longer than normal garages.
It is. At build, he paid to have it extended 2 additional feet.
Which is huge if you have a truck, and then last but not least, the storage.
Yep, we have all this overhead storage available in here too.
Great, makes it perfect if you have a lot of stuff. So this is truly a next-gen area of the house.
Yeah, we're standing in the living room, which goes right into the kitchen area. So it has its own dishwasher, its own sink, and its own fridge. You have plenty of space if you want to add a cooktop as well.
Perfect, and then another item is that this is not the only area to the next-gen area.
No, we need to go check out the rest of it.
Let's go. Okay, so we're in the bedroom right now with the next-gen part of the house. What can you share with us with this?
It's a good sized bedroom. What I really like though is the walk-in closet. It's very spacious and it has its own stackable washer and dryer area, so they can have their own laundry separate from the rest of the house. Plus they have their own private bathroom.
Perfect, and then I did notice another exit as well.
They even have a private patio off the back.
With its own sliding door. In the last part of the next-gen area, Kevin, what do we have?
We have access to the rest of the house so they can join the rest of the family.
Okay, let's talk about this RV area. It's not just the RV gates that make it unique.
No, in this particular home, they have it poured with concrete all the way out to the street. That's a lot of money, and it's a nice added benefit. And the best part about this is they also poured back behind the fence line too.
Finally, in the backyard, let's talk about landscaping and storage.
Well, we have a lemon tree as well as a grapefruit tree. We have a storage shed that's on a poured pad. And as far as the landscaping back here, the seller is open to finishing it out for the next buyer, either with grass or rock, whichever they choose.
Good couple of options there. And then last but not least, there's actually 2 separate patios.
Yep, one goes to the next gen section and the other one goes to the main house.
Somebody wants to set up a showing on this house, what's the best way?
We make it very simple. Call 480-305-6655 or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have questions about buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.